Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now, I'm excited today for a couple of reasons. First, tomorrow's my birthday, and I mean, that in itself is pretty exciting, although I have school, unfortunately. But secondly, there's this new game by PayPal itself. The company PayPal made a game that lets you make money instantly by just winning in the game. And basically what you do is you sign up for these free codes that give you spins, and you just play the game, and if you get lucky, then you can win money instantly, like ranging from $5 to all the way up to $10,000. But before I continue, if you want more awesome money-making videos showing you how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Alright, so to access this game, you first need to get a code. And in order to do that, you have to go to this certain website, and when you enter, you're going to be brought to this page, and the game is right there. It's called Moola Mania, and you can see down here it says brought to you by PayPal. So you can see it's legitimate, it's endorsed by PayPal, so you can pretty much expect this to work and you're going to get paid for sure. So what you do is you have to log in with your PayPal account to receive an email with a free code so that you can play this game for a chance to win. And I mean, there's another way to get codes, and that is to complete purchases on PayPal. So every purchase that you make after registering for this game that is marked as complete, then you get to play. But there's a way to do it without having to buy anything, and that's through this link, like I said, which I'll be putting in the description, so make sure you check that out. And you get 10 free spins a day, I think, so that's really nice. So what you do here is you have to log in with PayPal. So just click on that link, and it'll bring you to your login page, so just log in. And then it says here, got it, we have received your request, and your code will be emailed to the address you provided within 1 business day. Now they say 1 business day, but it actually takes like 30 seconds at most, maybe like a minute. So after you get to this page, you don't need this anymore. You can exit out, and then you just go to your email. So you can see here, I am on my email right now, and you can see my emails, I guess. Oh yeah, by the way, I don't know why some of you have been sending me like these money requests. I'm not going to send you money. The only way I'll give money is through an official giveaway. So I mean, you can feel free to send me them, like these requests, but I'm not going to accept them. Just letting you know that right now, so that none of you get your hopes up. Alright, so anyway, once you do that, then you can go to the email that they sent. Okay, so what you do is you then click on this link, and it'll take you back to PayPal, and then it'll bring you to the game, so then you can log in, and then just log in again. Now what you do is you take the code that they sent, so just go here, copy this code, and then paste it, and submit. And then it says right there, thanks for entering a code, now play for your chance to win some moolah. So you click on play now, and then you can see here you're going to be brought to the game itself. And it says ready for a chance to put some cheddar back in your pocket. Collect all 3 unique pieces in a category to win that prize. So if you go down here, oh, by the way, it also says a gameplay will be awarded for completed purchases, as I said earlier, and the purchase must show as completed in your PayPal account. But like I said, there's also a way to get free spins, and you get 10 of them per day. So that's really nice. Now you can see here, the grand prize is $10,000, and the way to win that is to get these 3 like flying money pieces. But there's also more, so you can get this other prize for $1,000, and it's getting 3 loaves of bread, $100 if you get these 3 slices of cheese, and you can win $10 by getting these 3 bacon pieces. So, and there's also one more, it's a instant win, and that is $5. So you don't need any pieces, you just gotta land on that in the game, which I'm going to show you right now because we have 1 available play, as you can see. So let me click on play now, and then you can see this is the game itself. It says you have to drag and drop the coin to get an instant win or a game piece to collect for a cash prize. So you just bring this coin wherever you want, drop it, and hopefully it'll land on like the instant win, which is, like I said, is the $5, or if not, you're gonna get a game piece, which you can then collect to win one of the bigger prizes. So you can see here, okay, so now we got a game piece, and we got a gold cheddar piece. So it says collect 3 of these to get a cool $100 transferred into your PayPal account. So pretty simple, you can see there. Now we have 1 of the cheddars, and we need 2 more to unlock the $100 prize. And like I said, you can do the free spins 10 times. So all you have to do is paste that link that I showed you earlier. Not that one. Hold on. Right there. And then just go back to that link. And then it'll say, welcome to PayPal again. And then once again, you're going to have to log in to your PayPal account. And then just log in. And as before, it says here, got it, we have received your request. Your code will be emailed to the address you provided within a business day. But as you saw, it took like 30 seconds at the max, like not even. So just go back here and then just keep on refreshing your email until you get a new one. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And hopefully it'll come in pretty soon here. Oh, okay. I guess it's already there. So you can see here it says, once again, here's your code. So then I can just log in here. And I don't know why I keep on saying it's suspicious, because it's from PayPal. So you just do that. And there's the new code here. So you can see it's different than our old code. So then you can just go back to this link. And then you're going to have to enter your code again after you log in. So here, log in with PayPal. And then just keep on logging in. I guess the one downside to this is you have to log in like over and over, but I mean, you're making money, so I wouldn't be complaining. So okay, here, you just put in the code. Now you get to play now, and you can see here we have another available play. And then just play the game, and just pick a spot, drop it. I don't know if it really matters where you drop it, but that's what you gotta do. And look at that, now we got the gold flying cash piece, which means we have one of the $10,000 prize pieces. And look at that, now it's unlocked. And we still have our gold cheddar piece unlocked as well. So, if we get lucky, we're gonna get one of these to fill up. But like I said, you only get 10 free spins a day, and I think the prize board resets every day as well. So if you don't get a prize that day, you have to start over from all these like grayed out blank pieces. You don't get to keep your pieces every day. So yeah, that's how this works. We can try one more time. Hopefully I can win like the instant win prizes. So let's just do it again. Let me find the link. Moola Mania right here. And it's going to bring us back to this login page. As always, just log in again and do that. But yeah, I mean, like, the great thing about this game is that it's actually like directly from PayPal itself. Like, it's a big company that's sponsoring like one of these games. And I mean, that just makes it more like trustworthy and credible, because why would a big company like just take your money from you? They wouldn't do that. So you can pretty much guarantee that you're going to get your money if you do win one of these prizes. I mean, honestly, it kind of looks like one of those McDonald's Monopoly prizes, if you guys have played that in the past, like where you have to collect pieces and like get 3 in a row or whatever to win the prize. So it kind of looks like that. Hopefully the odds are better, because I know like it's very rare to win the Monopoly game, but I think this one hopefully works out better. All right, so here we can see our new code again. So now you can enter the code and play, and it's gonna bring us back here. And then let me just copy this code again, and then log in. And then now we can submit this code and we can play again. So let's play this game. I mean, if I win something, that would be a really, really nice birthday present, not gonna lie. But I mean, I won't get my hopes up, although it would be super nice. Oh, look at that. So now we get a bacon piece, which can be used to win one of the $10 prizes. So now we have one piece for the $10, one piece for the $100, and one piece for the $10,000. Now I'm going to use my 10 spins right now, and I'll bring you guys back into this video once I finish. Hopefully I'll win something. Alright guys, so we have 4 available spins right here, or plays. So let us try our luck with those. Hopefully we can get something here. Oh, look at that, we got another pink cheddar piece. So now we have 2 of the 3 required for the $100, which means hopefully if we get one more, we can actually win $100 like right now. Let's see this. So we got a game piece, and oh, it's a duplicate. So we have duplicates. Unfortunately, we needed this one right here, but we got another yellow cheddar piece. That sucks because I thought we actually won right there. But it's okay though. We can keep on trying again. So now we got a game piece, and we got a pink dough piece. And this is for the $1,000 prize. Now this is our last play here. Let's cross our fingers, hope it wins something. And let's see, game piece. Oh, we got a pink flying piece. Oh, look at that. We have 2 of the $10,000 pieces. Well, unfortunately, we didn't win anything this time. But I know many other people have, and you may too. So try your luck. Best of luck to all of you. Let me know if you win something in the comments below. Like I said, I'll be putting the link there so that you guys can get your free spins. And yeah, this is very simple, very straightforward, and it's by PayPal, so I mean, you can trust them. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximizing your income online and at home.